I have interrogated a lot of these obedient crusaders, and I discovered that most of them are not even with PVC. They don't even have voters card. So they are cricket noise. They're just cricket noise makers here and there. So they don't have voters card, and they don't even know that the tentacles are not spread across the nation. So they are just making noise, using some kind of rallies to flow the internet space, just to think, for people to think that they have wide coverage or they have a lot of supporters. So just just a deception. Yeah, fellow Nigerians, are you aware Tinubu is the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria? Make sure you tell somebody today. I am Prince Soyelude Oladile, the Director General of Tinubu Shetima Ambassadors. Thank you very much.